Okay, hello. Welcome back to the SIVE guide. So today I'm going to go over how to set up SIVE on your chart and how to set up the alerts. So upon receiving SIVE, you will be wondering how to add it. Well, simply, once you are fully verified to receive SIVE, you want to come over to your indicators and come over to invite only. And from invite only, you will want to click on SIVE. Now that's going to load it directly on your chart. If you want to get the alerts, all these buy and sell signals real time, what you're going to want to do is hover over this, or if you're on mobile, you'll want to tap where it says SIVE, and you'll want to come over to these three dots. You want to click that and hit Add Alert on SIVE. So now it will show you this screen. First, you want to make sure it's on once per bar close. So that means once it is closed, it is for sure going to make sure that you get this alert. Then we have two alerts, longs and shorts, which are buys and sells, or sells and buys. So if you want a buy signal to show up, you want to hit long, you can hit open-ended, and then you can create that. I'm on Bitcoin, US dollar, and let's say buy. And let's say I'm on 5-minute time frame, so 5M. And then I'm also just gonna copy, you know what? Buy Bitcoin on 5M. So now once you have that, you want to create that, and that every time this signal comes up, you will get this. It will be notified in your app. If you've set up text alerts or email alerts or webhooks, it will do anything that you say it to. And now for a sell position, again, you'll just want to change this to short, once per bar close, and whatever you'd like this to be notified as. So let's say Bitcoin USD sell 5M. And again, sell Bitcoin now. Do it. And now every time that sell signal pops up, you'll get notified again about that alert. It's really simple, and if you'd like any questions or concerns, do come head over to the Discord. And come say hi. Okay. So I will leave a link to the Discord. We offer support pretty much round the clock. And as you see, we got a pretty active community, about 29 people online. Let's see if we can find a funny GIF. Let's see. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. These guys are awesome. Okay. So yeah, come over to the Discord, have some fun, interact with the community, get your free access to SIVE. If you're wondering how to do that, join the community, come over to free algo access. And I'm giving out free 3-day subscriptions. And right now we got really cheap subscriptions to this. Just come have some fun. Come learn how to trade a proper way. And I will see you in the next video.